What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and today we're going to talk about 2 firearm enhancements that we just got in. Let's go. Alright, so like I said, we're going to talk about 2 firearm enhancements that we just got in, and those are the GoGun USA gas pedals. Been seeing a lot online, people using these gas pedals in competition shooting and just overall concealed carrying or range toys and stuff like that. I shot a firearm with the gas pedal on it, and in my opinion, man, it was amazing. So I had to get 2 of them and put on 2 of our firearms. Let me show you one more time. We got the gas pedal for the FN509 and also the gas pedal for the Sig P320. Alright, so now what we're going to do, let's head over to the table and see exactly what's in the packaging and see if we can get these things installed. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome to the table. Like I said, we got the gas pedal for the Sig Sauer P320. For the X5, the Legion, M17, M18, P250. We also have the gas pedal for the FN509. This is for the 509 series and also the FNS9. So what we're going to do, let's open up the package and see exactly what comes in it. Alright, first you got this card here. And this basically just explains exactly what the gas pedal does for carry or competition. Easiest, fastest way to shoot, period. Proven. Remove stop takedown lever and replace with GoGun gas pedal takedown lever. Most shooters will do best by pointing thumb towards the bone, not down. Pointing down may cause failure. Grip offhand very hard. Trigger hand and finger loose. You guys a closer look. It also comes with a diagram, exactly how to shoot. This was my biggest concern with it, because I normally shoot like this here, but so I'm gonna have to get used to, honestly, bringing my support hand back a little bit to rest on the gas pedal. I normally shoot kind of high up on the gun, so I'm glad they included this diagram. Here's another diagram to show you exactly how to push your thumbs, how to squeeze your fingers. So I'm glad they included all this, man, just so guys can definitely hold their firearms the correct way without malfunction. This is important instructions. Alright, let's get to the gas pedal itself. This is the gas pedal. Very nice build. Very nice build to it. Really feels good. This is the firearm it's going in. This firearm is clear. It's going in this FN509. Alright, so what we're going to do, let's go ahead and get this thing installed. that easy to install. All right, let's put the slide back on just to make sure we got it on right. And that's how it should look. Your hand resting on the gas pedal. I like this look for the FN. I really do. Again, this is the GoGun USA gas pedal. This is for the FN 509. Let's go ahead and get the P320 installed so you guys can see how that looks. Alright guys, so now we have the gas pedal installed in the P320. The only difference from the P320 and the FN, the P320 comes with a little O-ring that you must put on the gas pedal. And as you can see, the same O-ring is on the stock takedown lever. Let's get a grip here. This feels pretty good. Definitely feels pretty good in the hand. Definitely rests. The thumb rests pretty good. I can't wait to shoot this firearm. Actually, both of them. Can't wait to shoot both of these with the thumb rest. Well, the gas pedal per se. Thumb rest, gas pedal. You pretty much call it whatever you want. But this definitely seems like it'll help with your shooting. Again, it's the GoGun gas pedal for the P320 and the FN 509. Let's go. Yeah, man. So what are your thoughts about the GoGun USA's gas pedals? In my opinion, they're easy to install. They enhance your firearm, and it just overall looks great. Again, here's the gas pedal on the P320. Like I said, man, we're going to do some extensive shooting with these gas pedals, man. And of course, we're going to come back with a future video, just let you know how the gas pedals held up, if they enhanced our shooting, if they made our shooting more comfortable, etc., etc. If you use the gas pedal, let us know how you like it and what you think about it. Leave it in the comments below. You can check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. You can book classes, view content, etc. Hey, it's Dwight.